Equity is the difference between what you owe on a home and its market value, based on factors like price appreciation. The best thing about equity is that it often grows without you even realizing it, especially in a seller's market like today. In today's real estate market, the combination of low housing supply and high buyer demand is driving home values up. This is giving homeowners a significant equity boost. According to the latest data from CoreLogic, the amount of equity homeowners has continued to grow as home values appreciate. Here are some key takeaways from the Homeowners Equity Insights Report. The average homeowner gained $51,500 in equity over the past year. There was a 29.3% increase in national homeowner equity year over year. To give you an idea of what this looks like in your area, this map shows the average equity gain state by state in the past year. What does all of that mean to you? If you're already a homeowner, you likely have more equity in your house than you realize. The numbers in the map reflect year-over-year growth. If you've been in your home for longer than a year, you likely have even more equity than that. That equity can take you places. You can use the equity you gain to fuel your next move, help with investing, and more. So the bottom line is, if you want to learn more, let's connect. A trusted advisor can help you understand where home prices are today, how they contribute to a homeowner's net worth, and the effect equity can have in a homeowner. So for more information, please contact Javier, broker owner of Houseways Realty and Associate, also known as Houseways 007. Moreover, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to see all of our future videos. And while you're at it, leave us a comment. Thanks for tuning in and see y'all soon.